Enjoy a life of peace and privacy with this rare opportunity for a secluded riverfront retreat. Spanning 1.36 acres, this property borders the Tualatin River, the perfect setting for Northwest living. A Japanese garden and water feature, private dock, and unobstructed river views are all yours from this tranquil property. Brilliantly designed to bring the outside in, you'll find more than 50 large windows with multiple rotunda-style rooms, flooding the home with natural light and providing river views. From the private den or library with a fireplace, head out to the large deck to entertain or just relax while taking in the river views. The kitchen features solid wood cabinets, a cooking island, and an oversized eating nook. The family room also provides peaceful views of the expansive property. The generous primary suite has a walk-in closet and spacious bath, including your own hot tub room with multiple skylights and tile floors, leading to another deck overlooking the private landscape. You'll also enjoy friendly wildlife, from deer and osprey to blue herons. This home of more than 3,300 square feet has 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. Plus a large basement for any number of uses. Savor the ever-changing riverfront scenery and quiet activity on the water. And enjoy your favorite hobbies in the 27 by 26 foot shop with built-in shelving, ample storage, and an upstairs loft. Other features include a level field, circular driveway, and a concrete parking pad. Conveniently located near Juergens Park, a kayak launch, dining, shopping, and much more. A beautiful, one-of-a-kind property. It's all here ready for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. For more information or to schedule your own personal tour, please contact Michael De Hetre with Premier Property Group.